Posible na yung lost opportunity could save you your integrity. Kasi pag rinab mo yung opportunity, pwedeng masira ang iyong integrity. May maleta palang kasama dyan. Ano yung ibig ko sabihin? Amen. Na minsan, yung mga delay could save your calling. And minsan pag dinig mo, Lord, bakit to nangyari? Nawala na naman yung promotion. Parang feeling mo na, parang one step forward, two steps back. At parang pakiramdam mo, ang bagal-bagal ng Panginoon. But this verse reminds us na hindi mabagal ang Diyos. Nililigtas ka lang ng ating Panginoon because delay is not denial. Maganda ang pera, pero kung yung pera mo mismo ang mag-finance ng weakness mo, let us sige for a while. God would rather protect you than He would allow you to have money and financial weakness. Maganda ang promotion, pero kapag masyadong maaga ang promotion, pwedeng malason ito ang iyong puso at yung dating humble ay maging prideful. Ang influence ay maganda, pero kapag yung influence ay masyadong naging maaga, it could create insecurity in your heart.